So, I'm getting old and cynical, maybe, and I thought this is a tremendously useful meeting that we've had. The cross-fertilization, the conversations I've had throughout have been, just what you'd imagine would happen in this kind of place, this kind of meeting, and it happened. So, yay! Thank you, Roshanak, and thank you, everyone else that came up with this. This thing has almost been canceled a couple of times, and we persevered, and darn it, it was worth it. The flight, FOP, the Flight Opportunities Program presentation, was kind of a highlight. They have, when they first came into being, in fact, this was 3 years earlier. We really pushed that hard to find use cases in the last sounding rocket meeting symposium, and yet, as hard as we pushed, it was difficult to find a use case that was really going to work for us as it was then. Now, almost every conversation I've had somehow or another wanders into technology and sounding rockets, technology and science payloads being accommodated as hosted payloads. I mean, it really shakes up the idea that CubeSats are the only way that are feasible for small experiments. These hosted platforms can really solve a lot of the problems that we've had with CubeSats in the platform technology. You get a platform for somebody who repeatedly flies that platform, and that's a tremendous thing. So I would say that the depth provided by the traditional talks and posters that we've given was spot on. It was exactly what we needed, and in fact, I learned a lot even from presentations of things that I supposedly was the program scientist. I was supposed to be, reading all the reports and talking to the PIs. Presented in this format, here again, I have to say it really worked well, and I understand now why astrophysics actually holds these, all the suborbital PIs and the hardware PIs. They come to DC once every couple of years and hold a similar seminar to this. And I thought it was nice, but this gets costed into their proposals for an investigation, and this really resonates with me more this time than we've ever done before. So that's one more comment, and then we used to do this once upon a time. AGU, the fall meeting at AGU was small enough that we could do a lot of this kind of interaction and monitoring during AGU. And that meeting has now become so big that you need something else. And so I encourage this. I don't think sounding rockets can do this every year. We're really not set up for that. But I think every couple of years, 2 or 3 years, we should be doing this kind of symposium. And so the HESTO, the technology part is moving. They're smaller programs. They move faster. They're not waiting for a launch. So I'm looking forward to having those as Roshanak has been planning them. And I'll let her talk about what she wants to do, what she has in mind. But this was, I want to state my appreciation to everybody that participated. And I can see there were not that many technologists left today, but there were not that many rocket people on Monday. And I just have enjoyed the heck out of it all week long. So thanks to the organizers, thanks to the participants. This is great.
Okay, thank you, Dan. And now we'll ask Roshanak if she could close us out.
Okay, well, I really want to take this opportunity to thank everybody. We really did plow through, and along the way, we hit a lot of bumps. I really want to thank my HESTO team for their perseverance to plow through all the bumps and hurdles. I want to thank the Suborbital group for their outstanding support as well. Much thanks goes to APL, Cheryl Williams and her team. They were amazing. And I mean, look at this facility, this fantastic facility, and all the support they provided us to make this happen. To Mitch and Jerome for their fabulous support of their audiovisual support. It was absolutely phenomenal. Sabrina, Robert, Stephen Christ, our new addition to HESTO, Scott, and of course, Dan. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. We really tried to cross-pollinate the technologists and the flight folks, and I think we were successful. I heard that there were partnerships formed throughout this week, and we hope to do more of the same. So I hope to see many of you back next year. We're going to do this again. Maybe not with the suborbital, but we have ideas about how we're going to do it, and hope to see you all back next year.